Alright everybody, we got a 09 Subaru Tribeca with the V6 motor. We're doing a starter motor. Starter motor looks like this. It's only 2 bolts holding it in. You got 13 right here. There's a little plug. You just pull it off right there. I didn't see any videos on it. It's actually not that hard, but it might be. Only 1 bolt is really the issue. So this right here, you got 2 10s on it. One here, one right there. There's an 8mm right here. Another one right here on this clamp. It's an 8mm. You just pull that off, put it to the side. There's a hose right here. You just squeeze the clamp right here, and that'll come out. Your starter's right there. There's a 13 on the back. There's your wire. You just squeeze the clip, pull it off. It comes off the side. You got a 14mm bolt right here, and then the one down on the bottom. The way I got my socket on it, just put like 2 extensions this size and a 14 on the end. Stick your ratchet there on the back, and then guide it in with your other hand, and you can get it from the put your ratchet against the firewall and behind the starter, and then go from underneath it. You can get it like that, but it's a pain in the ass, and it might be kind of tight, and it's kind of no clearance to move your ratchet back and forth, so it's kind of hard to get leverage. But that's the starter on a 09 Subaru Tribeca.